Hello, good morning. Today we are in the Sacramento River.
Oh.
We're going to be doing some striper fishing, soaking in sardines. Yeah, he's so small.
Oh my God, bite.
Oh, sorry. Go, sorry. Go. Got it. Oh! Oh!
Oh, that was a good bite too.
Yeah, that was a good one.
Right there,
His rod just dipped. Oh, he set the hook good. His rod just went down.
Yeah, just barely tossed it too.
Uh-huh.
Ooh, you're biting.
No, it's
Oh,
fine. No, it's not. It's just your line. The fish is touching mine. Good shit, Cyrus.
Damn, this guy just tossed it too, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm telling you, man, this bought every time.
Shoot. Yours.
Mine?
Yep. Right there.
Yeah, the screw's coming through, huh?
Uh-huh.
Could it be? Might be. Wait.
Oh, that's yours, dude.
Ooh, I feel it too.
You missed it?
Yeah, I missed it.
Cyrus, you go around me?
Right here?
Yeah.
Damn, fish is coming through.
Yeah.
What am I supposed to do on this side? Well, I think it got to take hold of yours.
You think of mine?
Yeah.
It's you. We'll fix it.
What am I supposed to do?
Just garbage.
Look at that, son.
Yeah. Good luck, Harris. No wonder you want to come back out here, huh? You want to
Hey,
redeem
net.
yourself.
Grab the net right here. Hey, don't relay too much, okay? Pretty good. Just light up. Yeah, it's a small one. It's not, yeah, it's like 17 inches, 16, 17. Just,
At least
but,
you're getting action.
yeah, just go ahead and release it.
Why do people buy power one when sardine not know all this time? Spend so much money on power one, man.
Yeah.
Why didn't we just figure this shit out?
Yank it. Like this. Watch. There you go.
Oh.
What? Right, release it back.
Okay, take a picture of me first.
Hold on.
Nice one, Cyrus. Okay, yeah, come on.
Do it again.
Okay, yeah, Cyrus, huh? Okay, huh?
Bites right now again.
Ooh.
It's just a small one. But at least they're biting. They're attracting the big ones.
Like, ooh, it's a monkey. Look at that. Oh, yeah, Chew got it. Yeah, all bent. Chew got it. Hooked on. Oh, my bite too, Cyrus?
Huh? Grab yours?
No, wait.
So if it goes down,
Yeah.
I hook it up, Dad?
Huh?
If that goes down, I'll hook it up.
Go.
Your dad's. Oh, Mila.
Tell us small, huh?
Mila.
Yeah. Sorry, it's yours. Oh.
Oh my
Oh,
God.
yeah, use that one.
What's
Use
that?
that one, huh?
Pike minnow?
Yeah.
Ooh, perfect, dude.
Yeah,
Pike minnow?
yeah, use a pike middle.
Perfect. I want to toss this one in there.
You snagged it. Is it called that? And that was? Oh,
A pike minnow. Let me see. Look at that. Pike minnow. I'm going to use it for a bait. Hope that big one comes and swallow it.
You never know, man. I know this.
Sorry, it's your rod, dude. Put it back more. Yeah, like that. So they.
I know they took all, huh?
They don't touch. Let it sit there.
They do.
Just let the whole rod goes in the water. Cyrus on his third one. Really? Hopefully it's a big one. Hopefully it's not a small one.
We get out the takedown, we're not hooking.
Oh, yeah, that's...
Fighting there, dude. I told you when it gets here, it fights. Did you keep her all?
Maybe, yeah.
If anything, at least an 18er.
Okay, let's see. Yeah, that's, yeah.
Nice big keeper, right?
Nah, 17 inches.
Sure?
Yeah, I think that's a 17.
Oh, shoot.
You want to flip it or you want me to net it?
No, nah.
Help this boy out, making me watch,
shoot.
me and his dad watch him catch all the fish today.
I know, right?
Ooh, I think that's a keeper, man.
Oh, shoot.
At least oh, I know 18 off.
Shoot.
Really?
I think the 18, dude.
Oh, shoot.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's 18.
Yeah. Measure it real quick.
Yeah.
Keeper
claw.
How many inches is that?
19.
19. Nice. Congrats, Cyrus.
You wanna, here, let me do this. Let me put it on.